Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the talking animation named Dreaming of You, and we will use only one picture. How is that possible? So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Revive application, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into the Android or the iOS phone. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And for the new user, or if you did not buy the package, then this app will also offer you the package, for example the lifetime and also the weekly package, and so does the benefits detail. And if you are interested, then you can continue to do the payment, but if you don't, but you can just skip this. And this is the look of the homepage. Disclaimer: if you don't buy the package, maybe there will be a lot of advertisement during the process. And since we would like to create the Dreaming of You animation, then we will go to the trending. And as you can see, this is the effect that we will use. You can play the preview first.
Feelings like dreaming of you when I'm asleep, and in fact preferring sleep because that is where I might find you. A feeling that is like torture.
And you can
feelings like dreaming
click
of you.
this. And for this field, you can start to select the picture, and you can choose the picture from your gallery and click this. Or if you would like to use the picture that has been provided by this app, you can go to the popular or the reason. If you have been the user of this app, for example, I will choose from the popular here and I will choose this picture and I will click Revive. Kindly wait for the process and also when the advertisement is showed up.
Hello.
Finally, the result is ready. Let's watch the result.
But one which I cannot, will not, do not want to give up. Feelings like dreaming of you when I'm asleep, and in fact preferring sleep because that is where I might find you. A feeling that is like torture.
It is funny and romantic at the same time, right? So if you would like to download this video or this animation, then you can click this save button. But if you would like to share it into your favorite social media directly, then you can click this share button. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this application into your device, and please let us know if it works into your device too. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.